Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dharmendra sir, your English teacher, and you are most welcome in DSS online English class. And now, today we shall going to discuss, or we are going to discuss voice. Voice is a very important topic that covers all the tenses and all the rule of tenses. That means voice एक इतना important चैप्टर होता है, टॉपिक होता है कि ये आपके पूरे टेंस को एक बार फिर से वो रिकॉल करा देता है, फिर से वो आपको रिमेम्बर करा देता है उसके रूल्स को। तो अगर हम वॉइस को यहाँ डिफाइन करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द इंटायर रूल ऑफ द टेंस. If you have missed the tense in a previous class, then it is a chance to recall or to learn once again. So student, pay your full attention and try to convert or try to know how to change active voice into passive voice. And also we will know that how can we change passive voice into active voice. Now, you all of knows that what is the means of voice. Voice has divided into two parts. One is active and second is passive voice. That means the normal sentence or the sentence naturally found in an active form. If we want to change this sentence into passive, then we have to adopt some rules. And which rules is required to transform active into passive, we will discuss further. At first, we are going to discuss the definition of active voice. Here, active voice tells us what a person or thing does. That means active voice हमें ये बताता है कि what a person, मतलब एक व्यक्ति ने कौन सा काम किया, एक पर्सन ने कौन सा काम किया. Like example, I am teaching you. That means what I am doing? I am teaching. Since active voice shows that what, that means what I am doing. मैं क्या कर रहा हूं ये बता रहा है आपको. तो this is active voice. Active voice, this that means subject based sentence, जिसमें subject कोई वर्क करता है वो होता है active voice. Here the definition is clear. Person or things does. That means a person or things does the act. Does the verb. That means इसमें एक person या things कोई वर्क करेगा वो होगा आपका active voice. That means subject based sentence होंगे. And the structure of active voice, that means subject, then here verb, helping verb is used as per as the required of the tense. That means जिस तरह का tense होगा उसके according हम यहाँ पर helping verb use कर लेंगे. Then the verb, that means subject, verb and object. This is the form of active voice. Now, what do you mean by passive voice? Definitely the passive voice is just opposite of the active voice. That means passive voice. Passive voice tells us what is done to someone or to something. That means what is done to someone or something. That means जो एक्ट होगा वो किस पर, सब्जेक्ट द्वारा न करके ऑब्जेक्ट पर हुआ. ऑब्जेक्ट, दैट मीन्स हियर द सब्जेक्ट इज एक्टेड अपॉन. दैट मीन्स कोई भी वर्क अब सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा नहीं किया जाएगा बल्कि ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा किया जाएगा सब्जेक्ट पर. दिस इज नोन एज पैसिव वॉइस. हियर द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस. पैसिव वॉइस, दैट मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट and what the remarkable things is here. That means always in passive voice verb found in a third form. Passive voice में हमेशा आपको verb third form में ही मिलेगा. ये चीज आप नोट कर लीजिए. और कभी भी सेंटेंस को अगर आप देखेंगे कि उसमें verb की थर्ड फॉर्म लगी हुई है सिंपल ऑक्सिलरी के साथ, तो निश्चित सेंटेंस ये बताएगा कि दिस सेंटेंस इज रिटन इन पैसिव वॉइस एंड द वर्क इज एक्टेड अपॉन. The work is acted upon, not the subject does the work. That only the work is acted upon. इसमें subject कोई work नहीं करेगा बल्कि subject के ऊपर, that means object के द्वारा कोई काम किया गया होगा. इस चीज को हम passive voice में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. एक सिंपल सा रूल हम देखते हैं पैसिव वॉइस का. how can we change in a simple way? That means, yeah, student, here active. Subject of active, when it change into passive, then it will be that means the subject of active as will turn into the object of passive as. Same as the object of passive active as will become the subject of passive as. And here by and other and many more conjunction is used as per as the requirement of the sentence. Like if you are going to convert imperative sentences, then there other things is used. In a simple sentence, by is used as a conjunction. Then object is used, and verb of third form. That means this is the structure of while. That means here अगर एक्टिव का सब्जेक्ट है तो पैसिव का ऑब्जेक्ट बनेगा, एक्टिव का ऑब्जेक्ट पैसिव का सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. इसमें हमेशा वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज करेंगे. एंड इफ यू वांट टू ऐड बाय ऑब्जेक्ट, then we must apply a conjunction here, and conjunction may be in, at, with and by. It is depend on the subject and the structure of a sentence. So student, this is a basic structure of while. Now we will discuss the rule, how can we change the sentences, the given sentences, that means present indefinite, present perfect, present continuous, present perfect continuous, into their passive form. So student, after this we will discuss the rest rule of a passive voice. Okay student, now we will study how can we change tense or the given sentences into passive voice. So at first we are going to start from present indefinite tense. Present indefinite, all of you know the rules of present indefinite. In present indefinite, that means we have to use subject, verb of first form plus SRES will be add if the subject is singular. While the subject is plural, then there is no need to add in verb SRES. And object, then other. This is the simple structure of a present indefinite tense. Here, one example is given. He teaches you English. He teaches you English. Here, he is a subject, while teaches is verb. Here, the two object is given. One is indirect object, while the second is direct object. We can transform into this sentence into passive voice by using both objects. So how can we change? This is the important thing. How can we change? We can change by using English as object. Again, we want to change in some other type, then we can take you as object of a passive voice. So if you want to change this sentence into passive voice, that you will have to make English as subject for the passive voice. Then he will be used as object of passive voice. Then here the structure, English is used, object is used as subject, and subject is used as object in the last. Then we have to use, or we will place helping word as as far as required of the subject, subject is singular, then present indefinite is the MR is used. So if the English is singular subject, then is will use here. And I have told you that what kinds of sentence given to you. You have to use verb of third form. So teach, the third form of teach, that means taught. Taught you. Taught. Other word you and him. That means object will be used by using a conjunction by. The sentence is will be English is taught you by him. If you want to use you as a subject of passive, then you is used as subject. Then according to you, auxiliary will be used. Then you is a plural. Then are is used here. You are third form of verb taught English by him. That means this is the way by which we can change the given sentence into passive verb. Now, how can we change negative sentence into passive verb in present indefinite? The structure will be subject, do or does, then not, verb of first form, object and other. There is no need to place a add SRES into verb. That means इसमें verb में SRES लगाने की कोई नीड नहीं होती है. And why we use SRES in the verb, I have cleared in subject verb agreement. This will be taught you after the voice. Voice के बाद आपको बताया जाएगा कि verb में yes और yes. वैसे भी normally you know that if SRES will add into verb, then it becomes singular. अगर आप verb में SRES लगाते हैं तो verb अपने आप singular बन जाता है. So active as one example is given. I do not play golf. I do not play golf. This is the sentence. Then I is the subject. If you want to change this sentence into passive as, then I will use as the object of the sentence like this, and golf will be subject. So golf is used as subject, and helping verb is used according to this subject, not according to this. According, because this is the subject right now. क्योंकि अब ये सब्जेक्ट है ना, तो अब ये सब्जेक्ट है, तो आपको अब जो ऑक्सिलरी यूज करनी है अब अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट इज यूज्ड राइट नाउ, द ऑक्सिलरी विल बी यूज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू मेन सेंटेंस ऑफ एक्टिव एज. एक्टिव एज के सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग आपको यूज नहीं करना है. अब आपने जो ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग ऑक्सिलरी यूज करना है. देन गोल्फ इज एंड नॉट इज यूज, देन नॉट because sentence is negative, then golf is not played. Verb of third form, that means played. And subject of the active verb will turn into the object of passive verb. Then it will be used by using a conjunction, and that is by. So the sentence is, now the sentence is golf is not played by me. This types of sentence can be changed according to this rule. Means इस तरह के lots of sentence you can transform into passive as by using this rule. And student, you have to try to make a lot of exercises on the basis of voice, basis of sentences. Because if you try a lot, then you get a lot. अगर आप ज्यादा मेहनत करोगे तो आपको ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस ज्यादा बनाने आएगा. अगर आप बस इतना सा समझ के एक दो सेंटेंस समझ के छोड़ देंगे तो लॉट्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल दैट यू गॉट. हाउ कैन बी चेंज? बहुत सारे सेंटेंसेस को पॉसिबल नहीं है कि आप समझ पाओ. सो यू हैव टू क्लियरली दिस रूल एंड हाउ टू चेंज, दिस इज द मैटर. कैसे चेंज करना है ये मैटर है, और आपको ऐसे ही चेंज करना है. नाउ इंट्रोगेटिव you are knows that interrogative are two types. First is yes or no type, while the second is question word type. How can we change interrogative into passive? Student, after this, I will give you a very short description, the rest of the sentences, because it's a very broad concept. And if I am going to teach you each and every content, then it takes too long time. So I will give a short, or the single example of each and every part of sentence. And after this, I will continue imperative. So let's we discuss the first type of interrogative. How can we change? Here, here, do or does plus subject plus verb of first, object, other plus question mark. This is the rule of first type. Rule of first type. Then we take some example. Does she sing a sweet song in school function? Like this. Okay, student. Here one example. Does she sing a sweet song? That means क्या वो एक मधुर गीत गाती है? If you want to change this sentence into passive, then do or does will change into is, am, are according to subject. So does is used. That means here note do or does is, am, are according to tense. According to subject. So subject is singular, then is used, and this is used before the sentence because passive bias doesn't show that the change of a meaning, change of a sense. Means passive bias में कभी sense नहीं change होता, बस वो ये बताता है कि the work is done by the subject or work is done by the object or the so is, then object is used as a subject, then object is a sweet song, is a sweet song, then verb of third form, verb sing, third form is sang, sung, is a sweet song sung, then object of see will be heard. But we will use a conjunction to add this object. So by is used here. Now the sentence is a sweet song sung by her, and then question mark. This will be your first type of conjunction. First type of interrogative sentence. Now this, we will discuss the second type. Second type is so easy, like this. At first we use question word mainly WS type word, question word, then do or does, plus subject, plus verb of first form, object and other, then question mark. Like, why do I write a letter? Why do I write a letter? This is the sentence. If you want to change into passive, then the place of question word will remain same. That means it is used in front of sentence. So why is used here? Do is used according to subject, and subject is this is here the do is used according to I. But when a letter will be subject, then That means when a letter, here the subject is a letter. That means is used here. Student, have you got the sense why I am what I am using here, what I am saying here? That means why अपनी जगह पे ही रहेगा. अब डू, यहां पर जो डू था वो यूज हुआ था आई के अकॉर्डिंग, बट अभी हमें सब्जेक्ट क्या बनाना है? अ लेटर. शो अ लेटर इज अ सिंगुलर, दैट्स वाई a letter is singular. That's why we have to use is here according to subject. That means why is a letter? Why is the letter? Verb of third form written by I object mean. This is the second type of your interrogative sentence. Students, I will give you a exercise on the basis of this sentence, and you have to complete in your rough copy and send me to check. And after complete this task, I will continue the next part of our video.